The controversial businessman and close associate of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, Wycliffe Ojevayo, is once again landed in the spotlight amid allegations of engaging in clandestine dealings on behalf of the Zimbabwean leader. Sanapina mashukano kuda pana pachinzi aiwa Ojevayo obatiwa red-handed aiwa panguva inoi zvationa kunzi onekwa kunzi aiwa arimo mumaoko emutungamiri wenyika. Kubva usubscribe like on the bell icon. Timina Mzimbabwe anyora achiti this weekend Ojevayo reportedly traveled to Kenya allegedly to deliver another tranche of illicit funds linked to his murky business operations. Sources familiar with Ojevayo's close ties to Mnangagwa revealed that the businessman's recent trip to Nairobi was part of a broader network of questionable financial activities. In quotes, Wycliffe Ojevayo traveled to Kenya this afternoon with his fiancée to deliver yet another load based on the flight history of his private jet. It's clear that he has been quite busy, frequently flying in and out for Zimbabwe. For that reason, we will run a business, a source disclosed. Ojevayo's relationship with Mnangagwa is long been the subject of public controversy, with the businessman benefiting from lucrative government contracts under questionable circumstances. His extravagant lifestyle, flaunted on social media, has fueled speculation about his role as a financial conduit for the ruling elite. Recently, Ojevayo made headlines when he was photographed with Kenyan President William Ruto, a move that raised further questions about the nature of his dealings in Kenya. The meeting sparked concerns that Ojevayo could be leveraging high-profile political connections beyond Zimbabwe to secure and facilitate illicit financial transactions. Critics argue that his ability to gain access to influential figures such as Ruto underscores the extent of his influence and the reach of Mnangagwa's patronage network. Tomashukano kuda panapa vanhu panapa vachiexposa Ojevayo vachimuti aiwa kulinga kwakuita nevakomana vana William Ruto panguva inoi pamwechete nemutungamiri wenyika wanyasakuratidza kuti aiwa vakomana ava madhuzi avari kuita ari very illicit. Anonyatsokuonekwa kunzi aiwa anenge achinyatsokudowngrade nyika yedu neikonomi yedu. Tozive mafungiro enyu vari kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Kuenda comment section yedu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.